So 1 year ago, NALP's Board of Directors committed to delivering relentless advocacy for the industry to ensure members' needs and interests are represented to outside stakeholders, particularly elected officials at all levels of government and the business buying public. NALP's strengthened advocacy efforts in city halls and in the hallowed halls of Congress, and through national morning news shows and in small-town newspapers, certainly showcase the important benefits that healthy lawns and landscapes provide for families and their communities and the environment, touting the advantages of managed landscapes where we live, work, and play. So 1 year later, what's been accomplished?
When we talk about issues, we don't want to be an organization that has so many things that they can't be effective. And so one of the things we've done is created tiers. And just to give you an example, we have a couple of issues that are rated as a tier 1 issue, meaning that we are going to lead on those issues. And those would be H-2B, which is the Foreign Guest Worker Program. Obviously, we want to work on Capitol Hill and with our the administration to make sure that they understand the importance of that program to our members. Another important issue that we're working on, and this is really on the federal, the state, and the local level, is pesticide and fertilizer related regulation. We see more and more communities that are looking at things and not basing their decisions on science. And to a great extent, the EPA has been following that trend as well. They're abandoning years and years and years of the process that they've used when determining what substances can be used safely, and instead abandoning those principles. And we really want to reinforce the importance of following science and listening to what those who are most experienced and educated on the issue have to say regarding it. And we've met with over 100 Congress people. We've met with members of the administration on H-2B from both the Department of Labor as well as the United States Citizen and Immigration Services. We have worked in coalition with a number of other stakeholders to make sure that H-2B is well represented and that we are providing leadership on that key issue.
We have spent a great deal of time over the past year working to showcase the value of the industry. Hopefully by now you've seen our new consumer website, loveyourlandscape.org, and that is supported by a host of social media properties. We're on Pinterest, we're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, showcasing the best of the industry. And all of that is also supported by our active media relations program. We have already earned over 200 million media impressions in small-town newspapers and on the national morning shows as well. We've had 10 national segments through Fox TV and also through HLN. We're certainly very proud to be able to share the industry's story and make sure that your messages are heard, not just to homeowners, but also to business owners as well. And certainly in addition to this voice that we're providing, one of the other things we're really proud of is the tools and the collateral that we have made available to our membership base. You know your story inside and out, but sometimes everyone has asked for a little bit of help in being able to tell that story. So we've created videos and flyers that are available for our members to use in helping to communicate with local elected officials and with customers and even with employees. We've also created a lot of data points that are available to our members through talking points and also through some new research that we've just recently completed with the National Association of Realtors. We really are working to make sure that the industry's voice resonates loudly and clearly above anyone else's, because we certainly know this industry more than anyone who tries to tell our story for us. So we're certainly very proud of the work that's been accomplished over the past year with the help of our members and the support of the Public Affairs Advisory Council. We hope that you are excited about all that is happening within NALP as we work to deliver relentless advocacy.
It's important for you to be involved because you have a direct connection to the district. And that connection is one of the most important and powerful tools we have at our disposal. An elected official is going to want to do what they can to make sure that those that reside in their district are well represented. And so having you being a voice on behalf of the industry and talking directly to your officials about why you care about an issue and how it matters to not just you, but the profession is extremely important.